Hi garden friend, welcome back to Sally's Garden Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how I take simple thrifted finds like baskets and even decorative metal pieces and turn them into charming accents for my cottage garden. I love thrifting because it's affordable, it's sustainable, and it gives my garden that cozy, one-of-a-kind feel. If you've ever walked through a thrift shop and wondered what could work outside in your garden, you're going to love these ideas. So, if you're ready, let's go, shall we? So let's get started with my very first find, and I think you'll be surprised at just how much character it adds. Baskets. That's right, baskets is one of my absolute favorite thrifted finds. You'll almost always see a stack of them in any thrift shop, and they're usually only $1 or $2. That's how much these were. And you can line them with a bit of coconut fiber or even burlap and use them as planters for flowers or herbs. They also make wonderful storage. I like keeping my garden gloves, twine, or hand tools in them so everything feels tidy and still has that cottage charm. And if they're a little worn or frayed, that just adds to the rustic, cozy look we're after. Baskets. Great for a thrifted find. Now let's talk about decorative metal items. This is one of those categories where you really get to be creative. You might find old racks. Look at this planter that I found, and it was only a few dollars. My intention is to fill it with moss and put some plants in it and set it into my garden area. You can also take an item like this and hang up your tools in your garden shed. And that's what I plan on doing. And I'm going to be doing a garden shed restyling in my next video. So you'll see how I style the inside of my garden shed using some of these items. Decorative metal pieces. They look great in your garden. Next up are picture frames. This one might surprise you, but thrift stores are full of frames in every shape and size, and they can actually bring so much character to your garden. You can use them to create garden art by removing the glass and framing a vine or a piece of lettuce. They can also look beautiful leaned up against a shed wall or even hung on a fence with a plant inside. I found these on my last trip, and I can already see them turning into little focal points that makes the garden more personal and curated. Picture frames. Another thing I always look for when thrifting is small decor pieces. These can be anything from ceramic birds to little lanterns or even quirky figurines that just make you smile. A cottage garden should feel whimsical and personal, and these pieces do just that. I love tucking them in among plants, setting them on a potting bench, or hanging them inside my garden shed. When you scatter these little treasures throughout your garden, it makes the space feel layered, welcoming, and full of character. Little lanterns in your garden. What a cute and whimsical touch. One thing I always keep an eye out for when thrifting is terracotta pots. They may not look perfect when you first see them. Sometimes they're chipped, a little dirty, or even have some moss or mineral stains on them. But in the cottage garden, that weathered look is actually a plus. Birdhouses are one of my favorite thrifted garden finds. Sometimes you'll spot them tucked away on a shelf, maybe a little worn or faded, but that's exactly what makes them charming in a cottage garden. A weathered birdhouse hanging from a tree or perched on a post adds instant personality, and it's practical too. Birds are natural helpers in the garden. They eat pests like caterpillars and aphids, and they bring so much joy with their songs. If you find one that looks a little rough, don't be afraid to give it a fresh coat of paint or add a stencil design. And if it's purely decorative, that's fine too. It still adds to the whimsical, cozy feel that makes a cottage garden special. Birdhouses in the garden. And then there are always bird baths. You don't always need to buy a traditional one. Sometimes you can thrift a large bowl, a pedestal dish, or even an old planter and give it new purpose as a bird bath. Place it in a quiet, visible spot, and you'll have birds stopping by to drink and splash around. It's like adding a little theater to your garden. You'll find yourself pausing to watch them throughout the day. Birdhouses and bird baths are such an easy way to add charm and character to your garden while also supporting wildlife. And the best part? Thrifted ones cost a fraction of what you'd pay new. They're proof that beautiful, functional garden decor doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Bird baths in the garden. Of course, not everything I thrift goes straight into the garden beds. Some of my favorite pieces are the ones I bring into my garden shed. Things like small shelves, decorative jars, or old wooden crates make the shed feel like a cozy extension of the garden. It's not just a storage space anymore. It becomes a styled retreat where I can pot plants, arrange flowers, or just enjoy a cup of tea. And since all of these items are thrifted, it's affordable to keep adding little touches here and there. It's creative, it's sustainable, and it makes every corner of the garden feel uniquely mine. I'd love to know, what's the best thing you ever thrifted for your garden or outdoor space? Share it in the comments below so we can inspire each other with even more ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss my next video where I'll be restyling my shed using even more thrifted and repurposed finds. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great gardening day, and I'll catch you in the next one.